In this video, we show how to replace riser 1 in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove riser 1 with the cover, the fan cage and air shroud, as well as riser 3 if you have one removed from the system, first loosen any captive screws on the back of the riser. Then disconnect the data cables from the HPM and unroute those. Next, press the blue latch and lift straight up on the riser to remove it. To install riser 1, lower it into the system, click it into place, then run your cables and route them through their spaces, and then reconnect them to this HPM. Tighten the captive screws on the back of the riser, and for more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.